so much for stopping by to watch today's video. So again, Happy New Year. We're only a few days, maybe about 4. I think today is the 4th or the 5th. I've already lost count. Into the new year. So Happy New Year. So as you can tell by the title, I'm getting ready to take down my Christmas decor. And this is a little late for me, I guess, because last year I had it down before the new year, and I think the year before that, I usually try to get it down like by the 1st. Usually New Year's Day is my breakdown day, but things have been a little busy around here, and so now today I'm going to attack at least some of it because I have quite a bit. So I'm going to attack this tree here, take it down. So I thought I'll bring you guys along. So again, welcome to all of my new subscribers. I thank you so much for joining in on my journey. And hello again to all of my brothers and sisters here on the tube. Thank you so much for your support. So yep guys, so I decided I'm going to go ahead and take this down. I thought I'd bring you guys along. I actually just got back from Walmart not long ago. I had to go get some more bins for my ornaments. I'm trying to reorganize and also get rid of some things. I have a lot of ornaments and various of colors, and I'm not gonna say it's my goal, but I do find myself adding to an existing color or bringing in a new color. This year I started bringing in more blues. I bought some blues last year, just some blue ornaments. So this year I was able to grab some more from Michael's, so I went ahead and added to that. And yeah, so I have quite a bit, and I need to reorganize all of my Christmas decor, to be honest. I thought I'd bring you guys along, so I hope you enjoy. So yep, so let's get started on this tree. Okay. That was so much drama. I've never had that much drama taking down a Christmas tree. I don't know if you guys were able to see what was happening because I had to sped up. So, you know, I was turning the tree so I can take everything off. And then the tree decides to like collapse, like move, like fall, right? And I remember, you know, like the pin that goes into the little stand. I remember that I lost it and I couldn't find it. So the stand was just open, but I didn't have the little pin to lock the stand in place. So I'm struggling, trying to hold the tree, take the lights off. And in my mind, I'm thinking, okay, if I can just get the lights off the top, you know, I can take the top portion off the tree so it can be easier, so it's not, you know, falling everywhere. I can have a little bit more control. Y'all, I don't know if you can see the sweat, but I broke a sweat trying to hold that tree and take the lights off at the same time. And the lights was just getting tangled and wrapped around. Y'all, I'm out of breath. I'm sweating. I'm mad at the tree because I feel like it had like something against me because I was straight up struggling. So anyway, it's down, okay? That's the main thing, it's down. So I have all the ornaments separated. And so now, and also another thing, I kind of forgot that I had glass, like the round ornaments on there. I knew I had like some of the other special ornaments. I knew that some of those were glass. Totally forgot. I broke two, but some of my gold ones, I forgot. They're glass. So I broke this one, and then I don't know if you could see it in the video and I have to go back and see, but I was struggling trying to catch one. I was doing all of this, and it slipped out of my hand and fell on the floor. But I mean, it wouldn't be a true Christmas tree takedown if you didn't break a couple of ornaments, right? So anyway, I am so glad that that's done. So I need to figure out how I'm going to store my, I might just go and put those back in what they were. My decorative ornaments, like my bling ones and my other glass ones. So I might just go ahead and put those back in the containers I had before. And yeah, so now that this is done, I think what I'm going to do, because everything is still separated, I think I'm going to go ahead and move into the dining room and tackle that one. I'm on the roll, so let me go ahead and, but you know, before I do that, because you probably can't see, but I have ornaments in different places, and I have this, my sofa table, which I don't think you guys ever got a chance to see. Let me take you over so you can see it before I take it all down, because I never got a chance to come back and do my mini tour. So let me take you over there so you can see that. All right, so this was my setup on my sofa table. It's a little beat up now. The kids been messing with it and all that. So I had this set up on my sofa table with, you guys remember my owls, and just some ribbon, some picks, some pine cones, and of course some ornaments. And then down below, I'll take you guys down, I just had a tray and one of my reindeer. So I think I'm going to go ahead and actually break this down before I get to the tree. So actually what I'm going to do, because a lot of the ornaments are the same as I had on the tree, the one in my dining room has a little bit different ornaments. So I'm going to go ahead and tackle now my stairs and take this apart so I can do that. And then, since you guys never really saw, and really I didn't add a whole lot to my dining room, it was just really what I put on my buffet. So I'll show you that before I start taking everything down the dining room. But let's go ahead and tackle this. Guys, and this is an area that I did not show you guys in the last video, but it's like a little ledge right above my stairs, and I did add a little bit of Christmas decor there too. So I thought I would go ahead and share it with you all. That's what it looks like here at the top. So I just have those couple of pieces there, just a little bit of greenery. Like I said, I didn't do a whole lot, but just little touches here and there. So I'm going to go ahead and take that apart as well. And then finally, we're going to head to the dining room. So let's go ahead and knock this out. All right, y'all. So we are moving right along. I'm saying we like you helping me. All you doing is watching. I am moving right along. We're taking this Christmas decor down. This is the last main area, is my dining room. So I mentioned to you all that I did have a gathering, so some things have been moved around and whatnot. But you guys seen my dining room table. All of my silverware and all that stuff has been moved off. It's just my centerpiece and my napkins on the table. But the only thing I did that I did not show you guys, I had these little miniature trees. So I added these in these vases I got from Burlington. And these are like plate rotators. Like some people use them for cakes, like when you're decorating your cake and it rotates for you. Um, but these are really more decorative, so you can rotate centerpieces and stuff like that. The batteries are low. Let me see if it'll, so you can see it. You guys have seen this before. Yeah, the batteries are down. You saw these before. I used one, it's been maybe about a year or so ago. I used it in my, it was a summer tablescape. The Dollar Tree, the nautical one. So if you want to go, if you want to see how it works and stuff like that, you can go and find that video. I may leave it in the link below, but you can search it. But it rotates. So the trees were rotating, and I have these little lights. You can barely see it, but there are lights in there. And so these were rotating, and I have the blinged out candle holders. You guys have seen these. And then I have the wooden like stands. They have like little feet. I got these at Burlington. Originally these are $9.99, but I got them on clearance for $4.99. And my reindeer, you guys probably remember that last year I think I had it out, but that came from Big Lots. It had a wreath or whatever around the neck of it, but I took that off. It had some red in it, so since I'm not using red, I went and took it off. And I just had that on both sides, and that was really it. I really didn't add a whole bunch. It was just little touches here and there. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this down and then start putting everything in bins, and yeah, we will be done. Say done, because I still have to put all of this stuff away, but the good part is that the hard part has been done. Everything's broken down. Even though everything is all over the place, it's semi-organized. That's it. I still have little bits and pieces like this back here you see behind me. It's just in a vase in my entry, just some bling and icy kind of sticks here. I might leave them in there for winter. I don't know. I may take some of the ones that have the blingy little thingies on it. I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, thank you so much for hanging out with me and motivating me to get this done. Whether you know it or not, it's motivation because I'm doing this video. And so since I started the video, I got to finish it. So you guys are motivating me to get this stuff done. It really didn't take that long. It probably only took me maybe an hour and a half, maybe. So it didn't take long at all just to kind of break everything down. So I'm trying to think, what will my next video be? I might bring, well, I do want to, if you guys remember, I introduced my online store, my t-shirt, Christian apparel store to you. So as I mentioned, I have other stores that are connected, but they're just separated from that I do want to bring to you all. Thank you so much again, all of you that have placed orders. Thank you so much. I did see a message come through. I'm sorry, I don't remember your name, but I'll make sure I give you a shout out. But she did let me know, because she ordered some right before Christmas for her family, friends, and whatnot. And she shared with me, you know, how much everybody enjoyed their shirts, and that I believe it was her mom that wanted to purchase some additional. So I am just so blessed by that, because and maybe this will be another video. I was thinking about this earlier, but it's amazing to take a thought, an idea, a vision from here, and then make it tangible, and to see it come to pass. That's awesome. And my online store, my designs are just that. They're my thoughts, they're my ideas, the visions that I have, and I put it out there. And then when I see people wearing my designs, when I see people responding and letting me know that they've placed orders and letting me know how much they enjoyed it, that's such, it's a feeling of gratitude. And you know, that's it. I'm just grateful. I'm grateful, and I'm thankful for just being able to use the gift that God has given me and use it in different ways, and it be a blessing to other people. But I'm not going to get into that, because I do want to do a separate video. It's kind of in line about, you know, your vision and everything for 2019. So I may sit down, do another kind of video on that. But I do want to just say I am thankful for your support. You guys just blow me away, and I love you guys. I thank you so much. You guys are like a second family, because you guys are just so supportive. And even if it's just leaving a comment in my videos, I see them. I'm actually behind, because I try. If you go back, if you've left a comment, most likely I have responded, unless it was maybe 2 or 3 months ago, because I've been behind responding. But I always try to make sure that I respond in some type of way, whether it's an actual comment or a heart or whatever. I try to make sure I respond to every comment, whether it's positive or negative. I'm going to respond. And so I thank you guys so much for your support and just being a part of my YouTube family and my journey. So I'm not going to hold you up, because I got work to do. Okay. And I'll see you guys in the next video. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.